This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Check description to get your free 2 months trial now. So I just attended a Georgia class with Arpit and it was on MS and Finance. So I was shocked and professor was saying कि मैं तुम्हारी इस कारण ले रहा हूँ because I care a lot for you and in this course there are around 15 plus assignments in the next 10 weeks. I was shocked. And in this assignment, Arpit figured out that ki parsing, that is most difficult, इसमें लगे 5+ hours. Data cleaning में around 1 hour, calculations में 2 hours and result में 1 hour. But the maximum points were of these two parts. So that's why he calculated the result first after parsing it manually. तो इस कारण आपको भी वो चीज़ पहले करनी चाहिए जिसके मार्क्स ज़्यादा हों. आज बनी है कड़ी एंड खिचड़ी. थैंक्स टू अर्पित. जब मैं इंडिया में था ना, हमारे घर में जब खिचड़ी बनती थी, आई डिडंट लाइक इट ऑल. पर जब से यूएस में अर्पित ने खिचड़ी बनानी शुरू की है, इट्स माय फेवरेट. यार अपना ही समझ.
मैंने बनाया.
So now it is time to return the AirPods and the iPhone 8 जो बिल्कुल बेकार था. Finally the seller has sent the shipping label, तो मैं ship कर सकता हूँ. And luckily I found out कि USPS 5 बजे बंद हो जाता है, so I have to rush. Come on. ये साइकिल हम कभी निकलने नहीं देते, हमेशा फेंक देते हैं. Oh my God. उस दिन इन्होंने बारबेक्यू किया था, जगह ही नहीं छोड़ी. अभी मैं थोड़ी देर में रोड पे आ जाऊँगा. The store is going to close in around 18 minutes और 11 मिनट का रास्ता दिखा रहा है, तो होपफुली टाइम पे पहुँच जाऊँगा. बस वहाँ पे बाइक पार्किंग मिल जाए, उसी की टेंशन है बस. यहाँ से राइट, अब इसके बीच में जाना पड़ेगा. मुझे डर लग रहा है, ये एरिया काफ़ी शेडी है. यहाँ पे बाइक पार्क करना सेफ होगा या नहीं. आई थिंक पोस्ट ऑफिस के सामने बाइक पार्क कर देता हूँ. दैट विल बी सेफेस्ट. लेट्स गो फॉर इट. एंड दिस इज़ द U-Lock मैंने मार्केट प्लेस से लिया था फॉर अराउंड $24. I forgot my backpack, so I have to put it like this. तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई, प्रिंटर था ही नहीं उनके पास, तो इसी कारण मुझे प्रिंटर के लिए किसी और शॉप जाना पड़ेगा. देन आई विल कम बैक. हेलमेट का वाकई बहुत फ़ायदा है, आंखों पे धूप नहीं पड़ती. एंड दैट्स आई थिंक द इंटरस्टेट हाईवे. अर्पित, मैं अभी पोस्ट ऑफिस होके आया हूँ. मैं पोस्ट ऑफिस में प्रिंटर नहीं था, कैफ़े गया, 3 जगह हो आया हूँ, प्रिंटर सब जगह बंद था. कहाँ जाऊँ, यूपीएस के फेडेक्स? यूपीएस
यहाँ के जो पास वाला है ना, वहाँ पे मैंने निकाला.
ठीक है. This time going by jog to the UPS store. UPS स्टोर का सिस्टम ही डाउन है. अब लास्ट ऑप्शन इज FedEx.
Yeah. I'll probably open my own unboxing channel.
Call it
Come on.
the channel where people don't know how to open boxes. Yep, just a little more.
Yeah, in case it's broken, it should be easier to return as well.
Oh, there we go. I see.
That's how. Same thing here.
Yeah.
Here.
Wow.
Oh,
Whoa.
it's beautiful looking.
Packaging.
Beautiful looking.
There we go.
It's really long board, right?
Yep.
And it feels heavy.
Mind
There
blowing.
we go, man.
It must not be charged though.
This is the charger.
Yeah,
This is
go
the
ahead.
remote, and I think this is the remote.
Yeah, you should do the honor. Yep. Oh wow,
You have
it's
to
just
put in battery.
Batteries, yeah.
And just
No,
like
it doesn't need batteries. It needs to be charged.
Oh, this is also chargeable. Okay.
The switch. The switch. So
so cool.
apparently it has multiple speed settings. All right, let's go outside.
Yep.
Alright, so let's see.
Currently, there are too many electric skateboards in the market, and especially the boosted branded skateboard costs around $1,400. So that's why my roommate chose this skateboard, which is much affordable as compared to that one. Wow.
You have to really get used to the braking because it's like, it'll throw you
Oh,
off.
okay, yeah.
I don't think so. Harnu knows how to skate.
No. Honestly, they recommend that you push off the ground first and then hit the gas.
Oh, now I can go?
Yeah, but yeah.
You are looking on the other.
No. Well, maybe.
Oh God.
Okay. No, the board, nothing will happen to break. Only your bones will break.
Hit the brake instead of acceleration because then the board will fly off.
Yeah, the brakes are really tight.
Yeah, the brakes are really tight.
Like,
But actually, let's
feet
change the
straight.
brake speed first. Let's
No,
change
wait.
the brake.
The feet straight, right?
Yeah.
Harnu knows nothing. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you change the brake seat. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
let's
might fall off.
change the brake speed.
Get off the board if something goes on.
Speed 1.
Just don't do it. Oh.
Okay, so I set it to speed 1, so it's at the lowest speed right now. I can't seem to get the brakes to change though.
So this is unbreakable.
Nothing will happen to the board. It's pretty.
Oh, I would have fallen off. देख यार गिर के बड़े होते हैं तो तू भी
हाँ, मेरे को नहीं सीखना। और वैसे भी मेरी उम्र का कोई इसको चलाते हुए दिखता नहीं है। अब मेरी उम्र तक यहाँ पे सबके पास गाड़ियाँ हो जाती, किसी को स्केटबोर्ड लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।
ओह, जैसे मैं गिरा था वो फनी था। Wow.
Get up.
Yeah.
This skateboard costed him around $600, and with the help of this skateboard, he can reach his classes in 3 minutes as compared to 15 minutes by walk before.
Pick it up from the Amazon.
Oh.
After that, you can try it again.
No, I don't want to know. I fell off so bad. I don't want to break
Scary,
it.
isn't it?
It looks so funny. It's so funny.
Start farther back, dude. Just carry the board.
It's not breaking at all.
man. I thought this street was not busy, but I'm wrong
How do you
today.
brake? I pulled it all the way down.
Yeah, so what you do is the brake is adaptive, right? So if you're going slow, the brake hardly does anything.
It doesn't anything.
When you're going slow. So you got to pick up some speed, and then when you're about to hit the brake, really brace for it. And you'll be able to stop yourself. So just go down and then pick up a little bit of speed.
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's stopped.
It was so scary. So this is the story of my roommate's skateboard. मैं अब से I'll be careful while riding a skateboard, and I am still scared. मुझे लगता नहीं मैं दोबारा practice करूँगा, but if I'll practice again, I'll definitely vlog about it. But once again, thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Skillshare is an online learning platform where you can learn tons of resources from video editing to Photoshop to graphic designing to freelancing and also software engineering as well. So I'll recommend all of you to check out this JavaScript course on Skillshare, which can teach you JavaScript from level 0 to level 10 so that you can become a web developer in the US or anywhere in the world as well. So definitely try it out, and if you will use the link in the description below, you'll get free 2 months trial. So definitely go for it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.